Listen closely to the background of almost any classic mecha dogfight, and you will hear a mechanical shriek that refuses to die. It cuts through laser blasts and explosions like a ghost in the machine. Casual viewers write it off as generic stock noise, but veteran anime fans tracking the audio logs instantly recognize the unique metallic texture. It is the Wilhelm scream of Japanese animation. Originating in the golden age of 1980s robot epics, this high-pitched mechanical whir was baked into early sound libraries. Back then, sound designers shared physical tape reels under strict studio deadlines. What started as a quick fix for hydraulic motion evolved into an underground tradition. Notice how the pitch scales precisely with the size of the actuator. Heavier armor plates get a deeper, more agonizing screech. Lighter, transformable frames snap into place with a crisp, high-frequency pop, yet competing animation studios kept recycling the exact same master wave file. Even fierce rivals in the 1990s shared audio vaults without public credit. This raises the ultimate question for anime historians. Why does this proprietary-sounding audio snippet appear across incompatible production pipelines? Let us trace the lineage back to its primary source code. Sound editors working late shifts engineered the layered composite by blending jet engine whines with tearing sheet metal. It was never patented. Instead, it became an open-source heirloom, passed down through mentor-apprentice audio houses in Tokyo. Every time a giant robot lunges forward, the ghost of 1980s analog engineering screams along with it. Directors loved the raw auditory feedback because it masked animation shortcuts during fast cuts. An explosion on screen meant nothing without that specific metallic resonance anchoring the impact. Fans began cataloging frequencies on early internet forums. What started as an industry secret turned into an open Easter egg hunt. Modern digital workflows tried to phase it out with clean, synthesized noise. Audiences instantly rejected the sterile upgrades. The analog grid was mandatory for true mecha immersion. So sound engineers quietly smuggled the classic asset back into modern surround sound suites. Next time steel meets steel on screen, listen past the soundtrack. The 40-year-old ghost is still alive. Entering the modern era of high-definition surround sound, the challenge shifted from survival to precise emulation. Sound engineers at premier Tokyo facilities now reconstruct the legacy sound using advanced convolution plugins. Instead of replacing the 40-year-old sample, they map its frequency response across a spatial 3D soundstage. A left-channel actuator whir pans seamlessly to the rear right when a mobile suit executes a high-speed dodge. The underlying frequency profile remains identical to the 1980s magnetic tape original. This invisible anchor preserves the raw, visceral weight that computer-generated mecha animation sometimes lacks. Animators rely on this auditory cue to signal immediate structural peril to the audience. Statistical analysis of recent mecha series reveals a staggering retention rate for the legacy sample. Industry trade publications frequently highlight how audio continuity outlasts visual styles. Technical documentation from major studios confirms the asset is treated as a protected institutional standard. Defined strictly within production handbooks, the sound is categorized under essential mecha telemetry. The checklist for any robot combat sequence invariably requires this exact sonic signature. When a newcomer joins a sound team, passing down the master file is practically a rite of passage.